welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm back with another video, so let's get started. Now it's time for some glow. So I'm here today with a DIY glow mask with all the ingredients that are easily available at home. Now let's go prepare the mask.
Take a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of gram flour and 1 tablespoon of green gram flour. To this, add 1 tablespoon of beetroot juice and 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Now mix them to a fine paste. Add yogurt a little more if you feel it's too thick. And the consistency should be like this. Now start applying on your skin and make sure your skin is moist before you start applying it. Now let it to dry for 10 minutes and once it's dry, wash it off and then pat it dry. Yeah, that's it.
That simple it is, and I know it might seem like too many ingredients, but once you start adding, you apply it, and after the actual glow, you'd be like it's worth it. And also it's not too many also, because all of it are very easily available at home. This makes us come to the end of this video. I really hope this video was very useful to you, and if you have tried this face mask, please let me know down in the comment section below. I would be really excited to know if you tried the mask. If you like this video, give a big fat thumbs up and please do subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you all in my next video. Until then, bye.